Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, make sure to follow our page, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with everything happening in the world of crypto and Web3. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting niches in the Web3 space, DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. These projects are gaining a lot of attention, and the technology behind them has the potential to completely transform how we use and interact with physical infrastructure and shared resources. If you're an investor or a crypto enthusiast, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you the top 3 most promising DePIN projects that you need to know about. Let's get into it. What is DePIN? Before we jump into the projects, let's take a quick look at what DePIN actually means. Simply put, DePIN refers to decentralized networks designed to enable the sharing and control of physical infrastructure, like internet, data storage, and even computing power, on a decentralized basis without relying on big corporations. These protocols leverage blockchain and smart contracts to ensure security and transparency in operations. What's great about DePIN is that anyone, whether an individual or company, can contribute to these networks and earn tokens in return. Now let's talk about the 3 top DePIN projects that are currently leading the charge. First project, Theta Network. First up, we've got Theta Network. Theta is revolutionizing the video streaming and computing market by creating a decentralized infrastructure where anyone can share their bandwidth, storage, and computing power in exchange for the native Theta token. On top of that, Theta also rewards users for sharing videos and transcribing content within the network. This decentralized approach is making video distribution more efficient and accessible, challenging giants like YouTube and Netflix. With growing demand for video content and computing power, Theta Network is on track for a bright future. Second project, Render. Next up, we have Render. Render is a decentralized platform that connects studios and creators who need computing power for rendering videos and 3D graphics, with providers who have the capacity to process these tasks. It's all done in a decentralized way, allowing users to buy and sell computing power easily using blockchain. The platform uses a hybrid model to ensure that the work is completed correctly before releasing payments to the service providers. This ensures security and trust for everyone involved in the process. By democratizing access to computing power, Render can transform the creative industry, making heavy rendering tasks more accessible and cost-effective. Third project, Akash Network. Finally, we have Akash Network, which is also gaining a lot of attention in the DePIN space. Akash Network is a decentralized cloud computing platform. Instead of relying on big companies like Amazon or Google, Akash allows anyone to offer and lease computing power securely and decentralized. This decentralized model not only offers a more cost-effective alternative to traditional cloud services, but also creates an open marketplace for those in need of high-performance computing resources without depending on intermediaries. With cloud infrastructure becoming increasingly important, Akash has the potential to change how we access and manage computing resources, making cloud services more democratic and accessible to everyone. Why invest in DePIN? Now that you know the top 3 DePIN projects, let's quickly talk about why DePIN networks are such a game changer. Compared to centralized models, DePIN offers scalability, transparency, security, and efficiency. These projects have the potential to disrupt big corporations that dominate industries like telecommunications, energy, and data collection, making infrastructure more democratic, secure, and accessible for everyone. And with blockchain and smart contracts automating processes, the future of these decentralized networks looks incredibly promising. So what do you think about these projects? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates about the world of crypto and DePIN. And make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications. See you next time, everyone.